Welcome to Enoven Foods. Today I'm making an evening party special chicken pakora, crispy outside, juicy inside, and full of spices. This is the perfect snack for tea time parties or sudden guests. Let's start the recipe. Take 1 chicken breast and make keema. Use fresh chicken for better flavor and texture. Pour it into a bowl. Add half cup onion, 2 green chilies, and 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Now add half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin, and 1 teaspoon garam masala. Add 1 tablespoon coriander leaves. Finally add 1/4 cup rice flour. Mix everything well. Do not add water, the mixture should be thick. Heat oil in a pan. Take small portion of the mixture and drop into medium heated oil. Fry in medium heat for even cooking. Do not overcrowd the pan while frying. Fry until golden brown and crispy. Pakora is a popular street food. Rice flour makes pakora extra crispy. Spiced chicken snacks are loved at parties and gatherings. Deep frying gives pakora its signature crunch. Your delicious chicken pakora is ready to serve. Chicken is rich in protein and helps build strength. Homemade snacks are fresher and more hygienic. Spices like turmeric and cumin have health benefits. Control oil uses make it a better option than street food. Your crispy evening party special chicken pakora is ready. Serve hot with chutney or sauce. Try this easy recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Enoven Foods for more delicious snack ideas.